Hey guys, Samantha here, and Chloe, my dog. Welcome to my channel. This is a safe place to discuss DIYs, showcase my artwork, and much more. Hey guys, Sam here. Happy October 1st to the spooky lovers out there, including myself. Today I wanted to create how you could put a cookie on the cookie, like a double stuffed Oreo. And I saw this on TikTok, so I wanted to try it myself. So the cookie doughs that I got is your ghost cookie, and this is very hard to find, but I was able to find it at Target. And then I got your cookie with the chips in it, like adamant chips. And I got I forgot the name of this, but to put it on to the, you know what I mean. So, and I got this one too. So, let's begin. So I put it in the tray, and I'm gonna put it in my oven. I was gonna do this in my kitchen, but my kitchen is so small, so it's gonna be hard to get everything in one shot. So this is part one. I will be back with part two. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm bouncing back and forth. Uh, so so we wanted that raw consistency, and now I'm gonna put this onto the cookie, and let's hope for the best. You got your little ghost friends. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Sorry, that's corny. we don't want that to happen. Alright, so this is what it's gonna look like, and I be back. So yeah. So this is the final product. Just trying to be gentle, and I'm gonna let it cool. I have some more that is a single cookie with a ghost um, left over in the oven. So if you like this video, happy October 1st to spooky lovers out there and myself once again. And don't forget to do all the beautiful things on your keyboard. Peace.